What's up everyone? My name is Paul, and today I'll be working on the... Hang on a second. Today I'll be working on the back of the RAV4. I recently replaced all my suspension, but the car still sounds like it's falling apart as I drive down the road. The problem is this back door rattles a ton. Not cool. Let's go for a drive and I'll show you. I'm just driving down your typical kind of beat up road here in Utah, and the amount of noise coming from that door is maddening. There's a lot of play in this latch, and the door opens easily. There are a few pieces involved. First, the door latch. This part is expensive and hard to work on, so I'll see if I can fix my car without changing that. The RAV4 also has this little wedge-shaped door stopper. It has a little bit of wear. The door latch plate has some wear, so I'll grab one of those too. The lower door stopper looks fine, but I like wasting money, so I ordered a new one. And this is my pile of goodies from ToyotaPartsDeal.com. The door plate is what the latch holds onto. This is where most of the noise is coming from, but I'm not convinced this is the only cause. Notice I do my final tightening by hand. With power tools, it can be too loose or too tight. This is called the door stopper. The wedge shape keeps the door from moving up and down when it's closed. This takes a 10mm socket. The other side of the door stopper has some rubber that is falling off. I'm hoping the replacement will tighten up the door a bit. This is the door cushion. I have a new one of these too. And finally, the back door weather strip. It's easy to take off, just pull on it. The new weather strip has a small white dot that goes on top, and the joint where the weather strip comes together should be centered on the bottom. The strip goes under the plastic trim. I'm loosening the trim so I can put the weather strip under it. And finally, the test. It's taking a bit more effort to close the door now. I closed the door after I installed each part, and the only one that made a noticeable difference was the weather strip. The license plate seems a bit loose too. It only has 2 bolts holding it on. Let's get these plastic tabs out of the way and add 2 screws to secure the bottom of the plate. I think this will prevent some noise too. That's much better. Now I can enjoy the sweet sounds of my shitty stereo through the one speaker that works. Okay, that was pretty easy and it made a big difference. This is one of those repairs that makes you wonder why you didn't do it earlier. That's all I have for now, and if you'd like to watch me fix the rest of the 500 things that are wrong with my car, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.